Okay, this is the sort of jobs I get to repair. Folks said the hoover was making a wee bit of noise for a wee while, then stopped and was good. And then it really started making a hell of a noise. Got the motor out, got it sitting in the vise here, turning it, it's stiff as hell. Feels stiff as hell on the armature. And I think the bearing's gone as well, because I can feel a bit of play there. See, you can maybe see it. But that's not the only thing going on. I'll put the motor on and you'll see what they were talking about. Right, plug it in. Switch it on, get ready for the light show. Now that was most likely, oh Christ, I can feel a bit of heat around there already. Okay, so the bearing's goosed, which is allowing this shaft to flap around, which is why you're getting a fair bit of sparking at the armature. Yeah. This vacuum cleaner is officially dead.